बस कॉलेज में कुछ इतने थोड़ा सा आ जाएंगे तो शुरू हो जाए फिर आप ठीक ठीक ओके हाँ ठीक है आ गए ऑफिस में
नमस्कार सर, गुड मॉर्निंग।
मीटिंग में चालू कर दिया है?
हाँ सर, एक चीज़ आपसे पूछनी थी बस।
लाइट सुबह की बंद करवा दीजिएगा मैडम, तो व्यू अच्छा मिलेगा। वो जो ऊपर की लाइट है वो बस यहाँ तक ही जली रहे, बस वो बंद हो जाए, वो बंद हो जाए। बाद में कर लेना, उधर जाना तो बंद कर देना लाइट दोनों।
सर ये हमारा जो पड़ा हुआ है इसका जो बैकग्राउंड लगाना है हमें, तो उसमें जेपेग इमेज है मेरे पास डाउनलोड फोल्डर में, तो कैसे लगाएं?
सेटिंग्स पे वो प्रोफाइल पर जाइए,
एक सेकंड पहले से।
ये मोर वगैरह करिए ना।
अच्छा,
इस पे तो नहीं होगा कोई वो ये
पार्टिसिपेंट इधर होगा।
नहीं होता वो उधर ही होगा। जरा मैं देखिए सेट छोड़ दीजिए।
हाँ
मोबाइल से तो दिन हमने किया था।
हाँ, मोबाइल से तो हमने भी किया था, इससे लैपटॉप से थोड़ा हमको टेंशन।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैडम।
फिर बच्चा शुरू हो गए?
हाँ अच्छे।
कितना टाइम हम लोग के पास? ये है
अभी टाइम है 10:30।
वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड, ठीक है। यहाँ से कर लीजिए।
करते हैं।
पहले सिक्योरिटी सारी अनचेक कर दीजिएगा
कर
मैडम।
दिया, देख लीजिए आप, मैंने कर दिया।
चलिए पहले वो सिलेक्ट
नहीं, आप एक बार देख लीजिए प्लीज, मैंने कर तो दिया
केवल मैसेज अलाउ करिएगा पार्टिसिपेंट्स को, और जैसे ही किसी को लगे कोई सस्पिशियस एक्टिविटी
देखिए
तुरंत बताइएगा उसको।
एक बार सिक्योरिटी देख लीजिए, मैंने सब अनचेक कर दिया है।
दे कैन रीनेम देमसेल्फ, कभी कभी होता है ना गलत नाम से तो अपना नाम, बाकी तो अनचेक है। शेयर स्क्रीन अलाउ नहीं है, अनम्यूट देमसेल्फ नहीं है, स्टार्ट वीडियो नहीं है, रिमूव पर्सन,
सब अनचेक
हाइड
है।
प्रोफाइल पिक्चर, ठीक है। वेटिंग रूम इनेबल करिए।
अच्छा कर दे, ठीक है। बाकी सब हमने डिसेबल कर रखा है। सर आपने कहाँ से बताया था? मैं भूल गई।
ये क्यों खुद भूल जाते बार बार।
अभी वो खुला था।
यहाँ से करिए, यहाँ से ये वीडियो
हाँ
राइट क्लिक करिए, देखिए वहीं से होगा वीडियो। वहाँ से था कहीं और से लिया था? हाँ यही
चूज वर्चुअल बैकग्राउंड।
एक्चुअली ट्रायल एंड एरर से सीखने में रटता नहीं ना, कर करके सीखता है। अच्छा एक पहले मैं अपना भी लॉगिन कर लूं। कहाँ गया? व्हाट्सएप जरा
इसमें
हमें कर दीजिए
वर्चुअल
हमारे
बैकग्राउंड
मोबाइल
यहाँ दिखा रहा है सर। जेपीजी में जैसे हमारी डाउनलोड्स में है तो
तो करेगा ना, आप सिस्टम से लेगा,
नहीं लेगा।
प्लस करिए।
हाँ वही करना है।
अभी लिया नहीं प्लस का।
ऐड इमेज पर क्लिक करिए।
अब ले रहा हूँ वो। नहीं आप करिए
आप
नहीं
निकल
अभी
आइए।
अंदर रखते हैं, मैं देख रहा हूँ, पहले आप अपना वो पूरा काम कर लीजिए।
बट डाउनलोड्स में
गीता मैडम का मैसेज मेरे पास आ चुका है। ज्वाइन कर देते हैं। और हाँ सब लोग जरा ये अलर्ट रहिएगा कि हेडफोन या ये जरूर यूज करिएगा, नहीं बहुत ही बुरा है। कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं, स्पीकर बगल में चला देते हैं, वो गलत प्रैक्टिस है। इसको सुनना रहेगा तो या तो सेपरेट रूम में रहे तो आदमी अपना
अब
कहेंगे।
हाँ तो वही को नहीं करता है कि वही तो फिर ये यहाँ आगे
होता क्या है, जैसे ही आप स्पीकर, कभी आप कस्टमर केयर में बात करें और जैसे ही आप स्पीकर ऑन करेंगी तुरंत कहता है मैडम वहाँ से बहुत नॉइज आ रही है, इसको कर दीजिए। इससे क्या होता है, फोकस इसी पे जाता है,
ठीक
माइक्रोफोन सेंसिटिव हो जाता है। आप वन बाय वन अपने बच्चों को अंदर करिए पहचान के।
आपको क्या आ गया।
मिरर मत
वो उधर ठीक
मिरर ऑफ करा दीजिएगा।
कर दिया। किस नाम से नहीं जाना तो देखिए ऐसे हो गया।
ऐसे आएगा, अभी हम देख लेते हैं ना। हमको जरा वो करिए तो अंदर इन कराइए।
एक सेकंड कहाँ आ गया।
पार्टिसिपेंट क्लिक करेंगे वहीं आएगा, पार्टिसिपेंट क्लिक करिए, वहाँ पे नहीं जाइए।
अच्छा
पार्टिसिपेंट लिखा ना, मिनिमाइज कर दीजिए।
मिनिमाइज नहीं है, क्लोज है।
कोई बात नहीं, आप क्लोज किया क्या? पार्टिसिपेंट यहाँ पे अब उधर नीचे खोल लेना साइड में। अब मुझे अलाउ करिए, एक एक को करिएगा पहले।
आशीष जी
वेटिंग रूम पे क्लिक करिए, देखिए ढेर सारे आ रहे हैं।
हाँ ढेर सारे हैं।
इकट्ठा मत करिए।
सर आप देखें तो
डॉक्टर आशीष मिश्रा लिखा होगा, आप टाइप भी कर सकते हो ऊपर से, यहाँ फाइंड लिखा है वहाँ से टाइप कर।
ये लीजिए, कर दिया सर।
हमारा बहुत पॉपुलर नाम है मैडम,
कर
कॉमन
दिया
है इसलिए।
सर कर दिया।
अच्छा वीडियो डिसेबल किया हुआ है आपने ना?
हाँ सर
चलिए अच्छी बात।
कर दें इनेबल।
नहीं कोई दिक्कत, हमारा कर दीजिए बस। नहीं छोड़िए, वीडियो में क्या करेंगे, हम सुनेंगे बस हम। सबको एक साथ ट्रीटमेंट दीजिए, नहीं फिर इंडिविजुअल डिफरेंस आ जाएगा।
नहीं तो कहिए वीडियो इनेबल अभी कर दें शुरू के लिए।
बच्चों को आप अश्योर्ड हैं।
अच्छा सर आप एक वो कह रहे थे आपसे,
कर लीजिए आप।
सर एक आपसे वो कह रहे थे कि जो आपने कहा था को क्या बना दें, को होस्ट बनाने के लिए।
आप हमें को होस्ट बनाइए।
कैसे बनाए?
हमारे नाम क्या चाहिए? अब वहाँ हम जुड़ गए हैं इन पार्टिसिपेंट। हाँ वेटिंग पार्टिसिपेंट
ठीक है।
और अपने गेस्ट को भी को होस्ट बनाइएगा, देखिएगा आके वेट तो नहीं कर रहे हैं।
हाँ वही देख रहे हैं, एक बार देखिए। अरुण कुमार एडमिट।
हेड है कैसा रिश्ता? इधर से म्यूट कर लीजिए, नहीं आवाज जाएगी।
हेड से ऋषभ को लेते नहीं, तो मिली थी।
म्यूट कर लीजिए पहले, ये डायरेक्ट कर दीजिए।
Good morning, dear students. In 2 minutes time, we'll be starting with our webinar. Just a few reminders. Kindly don't unmute yourself. You will unmute yourself only when you will be asked to. And listen attentively without disturbing the session. Today's session is a very important session and you'll be learning a lot from today. Good morning, sir. So our guests have already arrived and we are just waiting for our principal to join in. मैं शुरू कर रही हूँ. Good morning once again. Always walk through life as you have something new to learn, and you will. Respected Principal Madam, distinguished guest Professor Arun Kumar, and my dear students, I welcome you all to the webinar on Business Model Canvas. Business Model Canvas is a strategic management and lean startup template for developing new or documenting existing business models. Business models, which are important for both new and established businesses, refers to companies' plan for making a profit. It identifies the products or services the business plans to sell, its identified target market, and any anticipated expenses. To throw more light on it, we have today with us Dr. Arun Kumar. I welcome you, sir. Dr. Arun Kumar has a long list of labels, but perhaps rarity is one of them which fits best. He's a creative Milan of heart and mind, a reinventor of himself to conjugate his abilities with the need of professional and personal purview and take momentum to swing to new orbits. He's working with Munirba, University of Allahabad as professor, prominently in the areas of application of information and communications technology in business, organizational and personal effectiveness, and quality management systems, and many more. He has been associated with institutions of national and international repute for academic and research work. Sir has vast experience in corporate training, has worked with Franklin Covey, South Asia, and is certified for many other corporate training programs. He has an array of experience of organizing and steering occasions like workshops, seminars, meets, training programs, talks, presentations at the academic, corporate, and social institutions. Behoving his love for education, he has authored 78 books and 30 research papers. He is editor of Global Journal of Enterprise Information System and Conference Series, International Conference on E-Commerce, E-Administration, E-Society, E-Education, and E-Technology. 9 doctoral theses have been published under his supervision, and one of the, I could proudly say that one of them was mine. Professor Kumar has persons of international and national certifications like Certified Information Systems, Auditor by Information System Audit and Control Association, USA, Certified Lean Auditor by IIQM, Ministry of Information Technology, Government of India, and Accredited Management Teacher by All India Management Association. He is a trusted name for consultancy in the areas of quality management system based on ISO 9001-2008 for development, entrepreneurship, investments, and enterprise resource planning. An innate entrepreneur directing companies for 25 years with unique capability to create solution with the theory and evolve theory with practice. Professor Arun Kumar is founding director of Shujita Group, which is market leader since 25 years. And his recent interest is infusion of spiritual training and practice into commoners' life for exceptional results. We are obliged, sir, that you are over here, and our webinar would have been incomplete without your presence. I again welcome you to this webinar, and sir, the platform is now all yours.
Thank you, Dr. Arpita Ghosh. It's a pleasure for me to be with each one of you. It is always a pleasure to work with Jagat Taran Degree College, and I feel at home while I work with the students and the faculty members of Jagat Taran Degree College. Thank you very much for so many nice words. Pleasure for me. So allow me to go to the topic directly. What is business model? When I started doing business, say 30 years ago, I was not having any idea of what is business model. But later on, when I stuck on the path of growth after completion of about 10 years of successful business, then I thought that what's this, yaar? Why am I not in a position to move ahead? What do I need to do? So the first thing which emerged in my mind is that the garden will be as beautiful as a gardener will make it. Mali jaisa hoga, bagiya वैसी ही होगी. So there is a time, now it's a time for me to learn. The Mali ko seekhne ki zarurat hogi. So that's why I went for reskilling and started learning so many of the things. And thank you very much for say pinpointing, highlighting all those areas where I have ventured into in the course of academic journey as well. So today I'm going to talk about a business model. What may be business model? First of all, let me tell you, let me share this thing, this insight with each one of you, that a very profound, simple, basic, fundamental, beginners model is model given by ISO 9001, now 2015. It's a 2015 edition is also available. So this is the one fundamental basic step one starting etc model. Okay, but unfortunately we don't teach, we don't talk about it. Even today I'm not ready to talk about that, although I'm a ISO certified lead auditor, but I have not prepared myself to talk about it. When you reminded it to me that I am also ISO lead auditor, I recollected, oh my God. So how I learned about this ISO, why I went to ISO, because in 2000, somewhere around 2000, I found that the growth is not happening as it was happening during the last decade. So what should I do? So then I started looking for the model. Where is the business model? How a person should do his business? English is okay or Hindi? I should switch to Hindi also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. So then I realized, and I started talking to academicians and a lot of professionals and industry experts. And then I somehow discovered or found that ISO 9001 is the one fundamental, basic, initial step one model. Okay. I'll talk about that also a little bit. But right now, what do we understand by the model, and what are the elements of this business model, and how do academicians define this business model, professionals define this business model, and entrepreneurs look into this model? Let me share those things with you. So I'm going to share this presentation with you. Business model. This is business model. Is it visible to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. So I request you to listen to me and allow me to go through the presentation once, and then I'll go back to every slide. In the meantime, if you have any question, you may write it down. You are requested to write it down, and then I'll go back to every slide and will open every slide for interaction with the question answers. Okay? Is it okay with everybody? Dr. Arpita, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
I'll run. Pehle main ek pura run kar deta hu. Let me explain, and then I'll go back one by one, every slide, and then the students will be having this opportunity to ask the questions. Okay, so let me start. So this is business model. So what is business? Business is the activity. I'm not defining it in an academic manner or so on, but I'm just trying to define so that we may start with some idea. So business is the activity of making one's living or making money by producing or buying and selling products such as goods and services. That's a very simple definition. What is business? You do something so that you may survive, so that you may earn something, make money. How are you going to do that? Maybe producing something and then selling, or maybe buying and selling. Then what is this model? So the model is an informative representation of a system, so that we may understand, we may see what's happening. So this is a model. So what is business model then? Business model is a description of how your business makes money. It's a description how your business makes money. Set of planned activities designed to result in profit. This is business model. Okay. आपने पानी की फुल्की बेचने का ठेला लगाना है ना. So you say you're a chart vendor. So what are you going to do? What are you going to buy? What are you going to do yourself? How is it going to be served to the customers? How you're going to collect money? And then out of this money, the little sum which is going to remain in your kitty is something, the outcome, result of this business model. So this is business model, how your business makes money. Set of planned activities designed to result in profit. Okay. So business model is talking about everything it takes to make something. Design, raw material, manufacturing, human resource, labor, and so on. It's going to talk about everything it takes to sell that thing. Marketing, distribution, delivering a service, processing the sale, etc., etc. And how and what customer pays. How are you going to charge? Pricing strategy, payment methods, payment timing, and so on. So this all put together will form business model. Theoretically, we may have several components. We have a wonderful book known as Business Canvas, which is showing 9 elements. But today, I'm going to talk about 8 elements of business model. Robert Kiyosaki has also given a business triangle, but this is all in research. Okay, well, I'll not talk about all such things. Let's, for the sake of the clarity to the students, let me talk about the simple 8 points to initiate a business. The first one is value proposition. What is this value proposition? How does the product or service fulfill customer needs? How are you going to add value to whatever you have procured so that it may be beneficial for your customer? This is value proposition. Value proposition in the case of e-commerce, personalization, customization. It's not only e-commerce, but in commerce also. So how are you going to customize it, personalize it? How are you going to make it convenient? How are you going to price it? Are you going to charge for the shipping or not? How are you going to serve to your customers? That is quick delivery. How are you going to give variety to your customers? That is selection, unparalleled selection. And what kind of quality you are going to provide to your customers? That is the quality which you are in a position to give to your products or the services. So this is value proposition. Then the second one is revenue model. Revenue model means how will the company earn money? What kind of revenue models do we have? In the case of e-commerce, advertising revenue model, Facebook, subscription revenue model, antivirus, consumer reports, Wall Street news subscription, online dating, transaction fee revenue model, eBay, E-Trade, credit cards, sales revenue model, Amazon MP3, Amazon gap, affiliate revenue model like airlines, car rentals, hotels. So this is revenue model. So the first thing which we have understood is the value proposition. The second is revenue model. Then the third one is market opportunity. Where is the market? Where do we have your customers so that we may offer our services or products to them? So the intended market space of the company. Market space is the area of actual or potential commercial value in which company intends to operate. I'm going to open my shop in Katra. I'm going to open my shop in Naini. I'm going to open my shop in Civil Lines. That too, close to Subhash Chandra Bose crossing. Realistic market opportunity defined by revenue potential in each market niche in which company hopes to compete. And then market opportunity typically divided into smaller niches this is the customer segment which I cater, which is coming back to me for a particular purpose, for a particular service of the product, which normally others are not in a position to provide. Then friends, the fourth one is competitive environment. Whatever I am providing, is it being provided by others also? If yes, then what kind of products or services are available in the market and how am I in a position to differentiate with them from them? How my products or services are better or maybe preferred by the consumers. So who else occupies your intended market space? Other companies selling similar products in the same market space? New entrants in the market? Substitute products and power of consumers and suppliers? What is the nature of competition? Includes both direct and indirect competitors. For example, Netflix versus Xfinity or DirecTV. And then it is influenced by number and size of active competitors, how many competitors I have, each competitor's market share, competitors' profitability, and competitors' pricing. So friends, we have understood something about the value proposition, the revenue model, market opportunity, competitive environment, and now we are going to take advantage. What is this competitive advantage for me? So the special advantages of a firm: superior or cheaper product than competitors. I say superior and economical products. Why should I give only one? Superior or economical? I'll provide both. Superior and economical, both. What makes a product superior? Now I need to understand. Product here means service also. So how my service is going to be superior as compared to my competitors, which we have discussed in point number 4. What are the important concepts in this area? Asymmetries exist when one competitor has more resources or differential access to them compared to other competitors. First mover advantage. Unfair competitive advantage results from factors of production that are hard to duplicate or acquire. Brand, natural resources, capital investment. Leverage using vast resources to move in other markets, leveraging a large customer base or lots of money, maybe Apple car. Perfect markets do not allow for competitive advantages as all firms have equal access to all factors and production. So this is something like competitive advantage. Then friends, what is your strategy? Market strategy. What may be this market strategy? How do you plan to promote your product or services to attract the target audience? Details how a company intends to enter market and attract customers. Best business concepts will fail if not properly marketed to potential customers. So a lot of examples we have. This is IBM operating system 2. It's okay. Then friends, after this marketing strategy, we have organizational development. What is this organizational development? the type of organizational structure within the firm necessary to carry out the business plan. Everything is there in my mind. I know my customers, I know my products, I know my services. I have everything ready on the cards. Who will execute? So the types of organizational structure within the firm necessary to carry out the business plan, who will do what? This need to be decided. And then describes how firm will organize work, typically divided into functional departments like purchase, sales, human resource, accounts, finance, administration, etc., etc. So typically divided into functional departments, some organized around products, combination of both, etc., etc. As company grows, hiring moves from generalist to specialist. So one person was looking after so many things, but now over a period of time, what will happen that we'll be hiring a person who is expert in doing something which we need to be done by the organization. Then the last eighth key element of a business model is management team. We know who is going to do what, how this all is going to be managed. What kind of background should the company leaders have? A strong management team makes the business model work, give credibility to outside investors, has market-specific knowledge, has experience in implementing business plans. So, in this manner, friends, we have 8 elements of a business model. Here we are. Now I'm going to every slide one by one. And now, Dr. Arpita ji, you may allow your students to unmute themselves and the procedure you follow so that I may respond to their queries. So now it's open.
Students, you may unmute yourself, and if you have any queries, you may please put out your questions to sir. But one by one, please raise your hand and ma'am will allow you.
Business. Okay. I'm assuming that there is no question on business. Then model. And then business model. Any question? Okay.
Ayushi Singh.
Yes.
Ayushi Singh, you may put your question.
Yes. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, Ayushi. Please put your question.
So what is actually a business model?
What is actually a business model? What is actually a business model? This is your question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. So you give any shop to me. Give any name any shop, any business activity, so that I will give you the model.
So in short shop or
Whatever, short, small shop,
so
small
like
shop.
malls.
Mall is a huge thing. Okay, let me talk about the mall. So the business model for the mall owner. Now we have mall owner who got this mall constructed and managing the mall. So for this person, the revenue will come from those who will occupy the space within the mall. So the lease charges or the rental which he is going to get, he or she is going to get from the tenants or the lessees will be the revenue. Okay. So the business model is you invest money, get the mall constructed, find suitable persons to take the space on lease, ground floor, first floor, second floor,
Me the
top
part
floor.
of your knowledge.
Normally we say top floor will be occupied by the Audis, will be having multiplexes there. Say we are talking about the Vinayak City Center now, I'm assuming.
Yes,
So
sir.
at
So
the,
just like flat.
it's like flats.
Okay.
Okay, so this is business model. So how I'm going to get money? Let me start from this point. So I get money when I provide something to you. What am I going to provide? Some facilities,
Services.
products, services. Now, what may be the price of that service, the product, or the service which I'm going to provide to you? How to price that?
The part of this.
From where I'm going to provide such kind of services or product to you, facilities to you?
A part of this.
How am I going to procure, manage those things? Say the lift in the mall has to be managed by the mall owner. Municipal activities in the mall has to be managed by the mall owner. Security of the mall has to be managed by the mall owner. So whatever the person is getting as rent, some part of that will be spent by the owner on electricity, on maintenance, on cleaning, etc., etc.
Yes.
So I'm going to earn something. From where I'll be able to earn? I have some revenue, I have some expenditure, and the difference between the two will be my earning, my income, my profit. So this is business model for a mall. Does it answer your question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other person? Any question about the business model?
Akanksha Pandey, you raised your hand. You may now ask your question.
Good morning, everyone. Sir, my question is to you that what is the difference between Indian business model and foreign business model? Why Indian business model not going to successful in comparison to foreign business model? Can you please?
Any business will survive within an environment. We customize the model according to the environment. How customer will be comfortable in India? Why India only? How customer will be comfortable in Allahabad? How customer will be comfortable in Delhi? How customer will be comfortable in Bhadohi will be different altogether. Let me give one example to you. Say in Allahabad, you may be having a shop, neighborhood shop, mom and pop store, neighborhood grocery store, mani bagal wali dukaan. So if you go to that shop and you will ask, then you give this, no, you will provide a list. And the shopkeeper will give that saman, that entire products to you as per your list. And there is an arrangement between you and the shopkeeper that you will pay maybe by end of the day, maybe on monthly basis or whatever. Can you do this in any mall? Can you do this in any super bazaar? Can you do this in big bazaar? Not possible. So the revenue model and the payment collection model, this component of the model is different. So Indian model means customized as per the needs of that geography. It's not only Indian. I'm saying Allahabadi model. I'm saying Atarsuya model. I'm saying Naini model. So every locality will be having its own group of customers, their preferences, their priorities, and you have to customize your products and services according to their needs and specifications, and do the business as per their needs and requirements. In US, in London, in UK, everywhere in the world, you will find some difference in doing business. I'm just giving another example to you. Like in North India, a medical store sells a lot of cosmetic items also, food products also. At times you will find even the chocolates and the sweets and cold drinks which are being sold by the medical store. But in Mumbai, it's not happening. In Bangalore, it's not happening. They sell only medicines. Are you getting it? So what kind of products you are required to provide, what kind of services you are supposed to provide, etc., will be component part of the business model. And that's why everywhere, not India, not foreign, not American, not UK, but every geography will be having a different business model. In the case of grocery store, we say that this business model changes every kilometer. Every kilometer, the business model is changing. What is this business model? What kind of component is changing every kilometer? The product range. The kind of products which are going to be bought by the customers in Allahpur will be different from Katra, will be different from Chowk, will be different from Civilize, will be different from Ashok Nagar, and so on and so forth. So the business model will be different. So that's why we say the business model is different. And it's not so that Indian business model is not successful. No, it's not like that. Every business model will be successful in its geography. Even McDonald's has changed its product range in India. In every geography, in every country, they customize their products, they customize their services. So this is the difference. As far as business model is concerned, according to geographies, 1, and 2, you can't say that foreign business models are more successful, Indian business models are not that much successful. Every business model will be successful if executed truly with passion to cater to the customers according to the geography. Thank you very much. Could I answer your question, please?
Students will raise hands only. Please do not unmute unless and until told to. So I think so. Akanksha is not connected now. Sakshi Jaiswal. You may now unmute yourself and ask your question, please.
Good morning, everyone. Sir, my question is that, as you have told us that business model has several major parts like customer dealing, market strategy, and organization structure. Sir, I want to ask you that, is there any business model does also include some rules and regulation related to organization, related to discipline, how one should maintain discipline in the organization?
Thank you very much. Every organization will exist in its environment. This environment will also have legal component. So you need to fulfill those legal obligations within which you are supposed to operate. Say in India, if you want to open a shop, then at least one registration is mandatory, that is GST registration. GST number. Okay. Now you may say that, sir, but I am not going to be covered by the GST. Fine. So you may not go for just GST registration. Then bank will not open your account. You need to have at least PAN card. Otherwise, bank will not open your account. So certain regulations, rules have to be followed as per the law of the land. This is one component. 2. Now you may come out, you may design and develop certain modus operandi, standard operating procedures for yourself, which will be followed by others within the organization. So rules are there, regulations are there. And yes, please. Next question.
Anyone else, please?
Okay, so I'm going to the next slide. 8 key elements of a business model. Right? Yes, Priyanka Verma.
Priyanka Verma, please. Priyanka Verma, you may now ask your question. Priyanka Verma, kindly unmute yourself. I think so. Priyanka is not getting connected, or she is not unmuting. She's not.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Yes, please.
Yes, Priyanka.
Ma'am, my question is how to make online business model which is successfully run.
Okay, online business model which can be successfully run.
Okay. So start with the value proposition. What are you going to provide? What
Sir.
is being preferred in the market? Identify that value proposition.
Yes, sir.
Then identify the cost and the revenue which you are going to charge. So revenue model, from where you're going to get the money, and how are you going to sell it to your customers. Now, if you want to launch something like an online shop, so we have lots of training videos, programs available. You go to YouTube and find the products mostly selling on the e-commerce sites. Even Amazon is in a position to help you out. Flipkart is in a position to help you out. That if you want to join e-market, you want to do e-commerce, then what are the products they'll recommend you to sell?
Yes, sir.
You will be having a lot of, say, pricing strategy, marketing strategy. So everything is being provided by such marketplaces. So Amazon is a market space where you can go and offer your products and services. So you need to work on that. Okay.
Shambhavi, a lot of questions coming out. They're finding it very interesting, sir, and so many questions are coming out.
I'm happy.
Shambhavi.
Good morning, everyone. My question to you, sir, is that all the elements that you just discussed, according to my understanding, I think all the elements apply to online and offline, both business models. For example, if I say that in this era of digital marketing, there are few brands that only run on online platforms, like they deliver and they promote their products and services only on online modes. So I want to ask you, what is the future of such online businesses? Because we never know that what will be the future of digitalization. So do you think that digital marketing has a good future in terms of business model or not?
Yes, digital marketing is having a good future. You see, digital commerce or the e-commerce is one more channel which we have now available to offer our products or services, which was not available a decade ago to masses. We are having this option. A lot of options are there. You may open your shop. You may start home delivery. You must have seen a lot of, say, restaurants catering to the students in Prayagraj. Only students go there. They eat twice a day, lunch, dinner, both at that restaurant, and they pay on a monthly basis. This is one. Two, home delivery model of the food. So tiffin service. So the restaurant will prepare the food and this tiffin will be delivered to every student. So a lot of such channels, models, way to reach to your customers are available. So this digital and e-commerce is another way. It's also going to stay. The rest of the things are also going to stay. And a share. No, what is the share of the e-commerce? What is the share of the say traditional shops? What is the share of home delivery? And so on and so forth will keep on changing. That's why it's dynamic. Nobody can say that what will be the future. It is all dynamic. So what is required for an entrepreneur to keep an eye? What can I do? What's the right time to do a particular thing? And then jump, then barge. Okay. Say I started AllahabadCityOnline.com in 1999. 22 years ago, I launched a website, AllahabadCityOnline.com. And I used to provide a lot of services related to the city at the time in the year 1999, when people were not having even the idea of internet, or people were not having net connectivity. It was so costly. It was not possible. It was not available at all. And I was having a shop. So who will buy? It is a stupidity to have AllahabadCityOnline.com as early as in 1999. Even today, it is a stupidity. Why so? Because Google is in a position to cater to all the needs of the local residents. So you need to understand, you have to be dynamic. You have to understand what is selling, what's not selling, which channel is working, and what is the hybrid, the multi-channel arrangements should be there. Then I'm selling on this, selling this, selling this, selling this, and so on and so forth. Only then you will be able to survive. Okay. So e-commerce, certainly it's going to stay with us. Rest of the models are also going to, rest of the channels are also going to stay with us. So rest assured, you find your niche, you find your competence, and the utilization of that ability or the competence in the market space, and then make a place for yourself. Next, please.
Next, anyone?
Yes, Supriya Singh.
Yes, Supriya Singh.
Sir, I want to ask that, as in the earlier time, just like pottery makers and many small industries which they start. So at that time also, sir, they need to present all these business models. As we are educated, so we can understand that oh, this is the value proportion or revenue model, but they don't have any idea about all these things. So how can they proceed their business model, sir, if they are uneducated and not able to know all about these things?
Thank you. Thank you very much, Supriya. Supriya Beta, this understanding of doing business doesn't come from the education. Education may be a supporting factor, may be essential up to some extent, but the entrepreneur may be illiterate. You may find a lot of entrepreneurs, those who have never seen the school or the college, but they have that knack, that ability to see the space, the gap, which has to be filled by someone, some provider, some service providers, like some product, etc., etc., and then they work in that direction. So they proceed, they go to consultants, they go to knowledgeable persons, they understand their needs, and then implement the project, do the business. So education is good, education is important, but you can't say that if a person is not that much educated, then he or she can't do a business. Now, most of the businesses are being run in India, most of the small businesses are being run in India by least educated persons. They don't have any education background, but they have that sense. Okay.
Next, I can see Akanksha Pandey raising the hand. Akanksha Pandey again. Okay. So I think so this much is very much clear to the students.
Okay. Akanksha Pandey, raise your hand again. Yes, Akanksha, ask.
Sir, good morning, everyone. sir, my question is to you. In the online platform, there is a when anyone buy the product and got that product by home delivery, that product is suddenly break by.
Akansha, you can put up your question in Hindi also.
Hello.
Yes.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है, जब कोई भी इंडिविजुअल होम डिलीवरी कोई भी प्रोडक्ट जब मंगाता है तो अगर उसके द्वारा वो प्रोडक्ट टूट जाता है तो जो वापस जब करता है ये क्या कि डैमेज पहले से ही था, ये जो फ्रॉड हो रहा है इसके प्रिकॉशंस के लिए क्या क्या कदम इन बिजनेस मॉडल में क्या क्या कदम उठाए जा सकते हैं सर?
Thank you very much. So you are talking about a customer who is not honest customer, or who is say utilizing this facility in a different manner altogether, in which the consumer should not say use this. ठीक है, खुद डैमेज कर दिया, खराब कर दिया, यूज कर दिया, फिर वापस कर दिया, तो इसके लिए क्या करें? Friends, right now we don't have law. Right now we are trying to catch as many customers as possible, and naturally what will happen, and naturally what is happening in the traditional business models, that if a customer is difficult customer, I'll say that he or she is a difficult customer. Okay, so normally what is happening, that we stop catering to difficult customers. We say, sorry sir, we will not be able to serve you. If a customer is not fair, if a customer is playing mischief, then we apologize. We say, sir, we will not be able to send. So this is going to happen soon in the case of online also. They'll bar you. They'll not allow you to transact. Why? Because such kind of malpractices are going to cause lots of cost to the company. And friends, who is going to pay the cost? Not the company, not at all. From where the company will arrange money? Each one of us, every customer is going to pay some part of that cost. This is something which is happening. अगर मैंने वापस कर दिया तो कंपनी थोड़ी कहीं से पैसा लाएगी, कंपनी तो दूसरे कस्टमर से वसूल लेगी. सो नॉर्मली क्या हो रहा है कि वो लोग धीरे धीरे मना कर देंगे कि इस कस्टमर को सर्व नहीं करेंगे. ओके, यस तनिया.
Tanya, kindly unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Sir, I want to ask the question that if we have a competitive market and we are lowering the price of a product to attract the customers, then what will be the effect to our shop or company?
That you need to decide. That you need to decide that how are you going to differentiate yourself from your customers. So what will be the difference between you and your competitors? So that you have to take call. Better services, quick services, service with a smile, better pricing, better quality. So you have to decide and do something about it.
Sir, how to make the business stand out?
So you decide on you think about the proposition, business proposition, and then study your competitors, study your consumers, and then see what can you do about it. This will vary from every product, every service, every market. No standard rule can be defined. Okay.
Next in the row is Ankita Tripathi.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. This is Ankita Tripathi. So as we can see that online business is growing very fast, especially in this pandemic, they got boost. So sir, my question is that what are the key factors we can change in the offline business model so that we can compete in the online business with the online business?
Fine. Why people are going for online?
Yes, sir. Why?
Study that. Okay. Study that part. Study that part. Understand why people are going for online. And now, in your traditional business, how can you incorporate those elements so that you may cater to your customers in a better fashion as compared to online? One simple thing, it's ease of placing orders and variety, range, price, ease of transaction. If you are in a position to do all the three things, then a person will come to you again. इसीलिए बहुत सारे लोगों ने क्या किया बच्चों कि जो पुरानी दुकान थी, ट्रेडिशनल दुकान थी, उसको ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर लेना शुरू कर दिया. They have also started now comparing their prices with the online prices, and they are offering better prices. Quick delivery. Now, if you place the order to Amazon, then it may take maybe 24 hours, 48 hours, or 32 hours. But the neighborhood shop is going to deliver immediately, within 1 hour, within 2 hours or so. They are arranging products for you now. So, if you are saying that I want to buy this, right now the shopkeeper may not be having that, but shopkeeper will assure you that, ma'am, it will be with us by the evening and we'll get it delivered to you. You are not supposed to come to us. So this all is happening. So to summarize it, understand how and why customers are going to online channels, incorporate all those elements in your business model, and then you'll be able to compete with them.
Okay. I think so, Ankita, it was very, very crystal clear to me. I think so it's clear to you also. So very innovative questions are coming up. I'm so happy that students are putting up so questions, nice questions. Shreya has raised a hand. I think so we should wind up also. Okay, Shreya, please put your question.
Good morning, sir. Hello.
Yes,
good morning, Shreya. You are audible. Please continue.
Yes. Sir, अगर कोई मार्केट पे ना अगर इन्वेस्ट करना हो तो कितना पैसा लग सकता है ज्यादातर?
पैसा बेटा कुछ भी लगे. बोलो बेटा.
अगर मान लीजिए कि मेरा ना वो चला अच्छा नहीं चला, मेरा बिजनेस अच्छा नहीं चला, तो मैं ऐसा क्या कर सकती हूँ कि अपना बिजनेस भी बचा लूं? अगर नहीं बचा पाई तो बैकअप के क्या कर सकती हूँ?
ओके, दो बातें हैं बेटी. एक तो ये कि कितने पैसे से बिजनेस शुरू किया जा सकता है. तो बिजनेस 100 रुपए से भी शुरू किया जा सकता है. बिजनेस शुरू करने के लिए कोई बहुत बड़ी पूंजी की जरूरत नहीं है. आप अपना बिजनेस रिड्यूस कीजिए, साइज देखिए कितना आप करना चाहती हैं, क्या करना चाहती हैं, उससे शुरू कर दीजिए. 1, लोगों ने बहुत शुरू किया है, अभी भी कर रहे हैं, रोज करते हैं, रोज इस तरह के बिजनेस शुरू हो जाते हैं. 2, अब अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपका बिजनेस proposition viable नहीं है, now it is not going to survive, then how to reduce the losses, how to stop losses. So exit माने क्या कि जो सामान आपके पास अभी है, सर्विसेज है, उसको बेचिए और दुकान बंद कर दीजिए. तो मिनिमम लॉस होगा, उतने से काम आपका चल जाए.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shreya, I think so you got your answer. Last question, anyone? Last question. Tanya Singh Tanya Singh, you have already asked the question. Shreya has also asked the question. I think so. Anshika Kesarwani. Yes, Anshika Kesarwani. Anshika Kesarwani, kindly unmute yourself and put your question.
Good morning, everyone. So my question is that as we know, there is a lot of competition in the markets. So what a businessman can do to survive longer in the market?
Competitive rahiye beta. It's a very simple thing. See what can you do to serve your customers in a better fashion as compared to your competitors. If your customers are in a position to find some value, additional value, which they are going to get from you, which others are not in a position to offer, then they'll keep on visiting you, buying from you. Otherwise, it will not happen. So keep on innovating, keep on reducing the cost, keep on providing new services, new products, new value proposition to them. लागत कम कीजिए, नया प्रोडक्ट, नई सर्विस दीजिए, बेहतर ढंग से उनको सर्व कीजिए, ईमानदार रहिए, बेईमान मत होइए.
Yes, sir.
So that was the last question. I do understand that many of you have some questions. So sir is always available with us. We'll forward the question to sir, and sir will be sir will gladly answer your questions.
Yes.
You can forward the questions to me. You can forward the questions to me. If I can be, I can do the justice. Whatever I have learned from today's session, I'll be able to help you out. Otherwise, I'll just forward the question to sir, and sir will do the needful. So we are happy to have with us our principal, madam. I take this opportunity to invite her, to encourage her with her words. Madam, please.
सर आपको बहुत बहुत प्रणाम है, और एक्चुअली आपको सुनने की हमेशा इच्छा रहती है, इसलिए ज्वाइन किया है इसको, और इसके लिए अपोलोजाइज करते हैं, शुरू से नहीं ज्वाइन कर पाए. देयर वेर 2-3 रीजंस रिलेटेड विद कॉलेज एंड पर्सनल आल्सो. तो इतना अच्छा एक टॉपिक ले करके, जो कॉमर्स के बच्चों को, मुझे क्वेश्चन से लग रहा था कि बहुत सारे तो बिल्कुल बिजनेस शुरू करने के लिए इंस्पायर भी हो गए हैं. एक लड़की ने बड़ा सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछा था, लेकिन बहुत दिल से निकल रहा था कि वो बिल्कुल, जिसने कहा था कितने नंबर, कितने पैसे से शुरू कर सकते हैं और लॉस को बचाने के लिए क्या करें. She really means to do something. और भी बच्चे, जब हमने ज्वाइन नहीं किया उसके पहले, बहुत कुछ इंस्पायर तो हुए ही होंगे, ऐसे लोग बोलते हैं. तो सर आपका बोलना बहुत ट्रूथफुल हमेशा रहता है, बिल्कुल हर चीज दिल से निकलती है, तो दिल को टच भी करती है जो सुनते हैं उनके. आपका सर बिलेटेड ही सही, पर हमारे लोगों ने, मतलब मैं अपनी तरफ से स्वागत करती हूँ, लोगों ने तो किया होगा. और सर थैंक्स भी है कि आपने इतना उपयोगी जो टॉपिक है कॉमर्स के बच्चों के लिए, तो बहुत ज्यादा एक तरह से प्रैक्टिकल इनकी प्रयोगशाला है लाइफ का, जो मार्केट प्लेस है, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन बहुत तरह से. और इनको ये देखते भी रहना चाहिए, अवेयर होना चाहिए, नई नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज निकल रही हैं. अभी आपने कुछ जैसे इशारा किया, और आप बहुत सफल उस क्षेत्र में भी हैं एज प्रोफेसर, और वक्ता तो सफल हैं. बहुत सारे जो ये जनरल स्टोर्स हैं, उन लोगों ने बड़ी अच्छी पॉलिसी अपनाई है. शुरू में तो सिविल लाइंस के ही 1-2 थे जो घर पे सप्लाई करते थे, और यूजुअली वो महीने भर का राशन बड़े लोग ऑर्डर कर देते, उनके घर भेज देते थे, जजेस और इस तरह के लोग. लेकिन अब उन्होंने बड़ी बुद्धिमानी से, जैसे आपने कहा कि उसमें पढ़ना जरूरी नहीं है, अब अमेज़न वगैरह ने कुछ अपना मिनिमम फ्री डिलीवरी के लिए रखा है, इन लोगों ने उसको घटा दिया है, तो इनकी कॉस्ट भी निकल आती है. साइकिल से कोई आदमी दे आता है, 100 रुपए की भी चीज दे सकता है. मेडिसिन तो 50 रुपए की भी मेडिसिन खरीदे तो भी घर पे डिलीवरी हो जा रही है. तो ये सब बड़ा बच्चे भी देख रहे होंगे, थोड़ा उनको ध्यान देने की जरूरत है। और आपने बड़ा अच्छा टिफिन वाला बताया ही कि स्टूडेंट्स की हम तो सर छोटा बघाड़ा रहते हैं, हमने तो देखा है उन लोगों ने इतना स्किलफुली स्टूडेंट्स को ध्यान में रख के सब चीजें, पूरी मार्केट उसी तरह बनी हुई है, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग दाम उसी तरह का है, कोई चीज हार्डली वहां 10 रुपए से ज्यादा दाम में रखी हो किसी भी मार्केट वाले ने, चाहे सब्जी हो, सब्जी एक टाइम की भी वो उनका एक मैंने स्टूडेंट आए 10 रुपए ही उसका दाम है, उसमें थोड़ा धनिया डालेंगे, थोड़ा मिर्चा हरा डालेंगे, बस सफिशिएंट है। जूस देते हैं तो भी 10 रुपए में देते हैं, उनका सब कुछ 10 रुपए, शायद बिल्कुल स्टूडेंट का जो बजट है उसको देख के वो उन्होंने बड़े बुद्धिमानी से बनाया है। तो सर आपने बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चीजों को एक्चुअली बताया है, लेकिन बड़ी सिंपल भाषा में बताया है बहुत। और आपका बोलना सर पहले भी हमने जो सुना है वैसा ही होता है। तो आप कहेंगे तो वक्ताओं में आप बिल्कुल शिरोमणि है। वाग्मी शब्द संस्कृत में इसके लिए यूज होता है सर। वाग्मिता जो है वो यही होती है, बहुत ज्यादा कठिन भाषा ना हो, लेकिन विद्वत्ता दिखाने के लिए नहीं, लेकिन बहुत स्टैंडर्ड चीज बहुत सिंपल ढंग से, इंस्पायरिंग ढंग से कही गई हो। आपको सर हम लोग बहुत बहुत कृतज्ञ हैं, अपनी संस्था हमारी हमेशा कृतज्ञ है सर, और आज स्पेशली इसके लिए थैंक्स है हम लोगों की ओर से। और आप इतने आसानी से सर हम लोगों के बीच में बोलने के लिए मान जाते हैं, इसके लिए तो डबली हम लोग अपनी श्रद्धा आपको वो करते हैं, सच में।
ये तो मैम समाज का ऋण है जिसको उतारना ही है। जब आप कहेंगे तो फिर उपस्थित हो, ये समाज का ऋण है, अगर ये नहीं उतारा जाएगा तो फिर कैसे चलेगा समाज, कैसे ही चलेगा।
सर कर्ज उतारने वाले भी बिरले होते हैं, कर्ज लेने वाले तो बहुत है, उतारने की बात जो सोचते हैं वो भी सर बहुत रेयर है। थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू। आप लोगों के बीच आके बहुत अच्छा लगा। आई विश ऑल द बेस्ट टू ईच वन ऑफ यू, माय ब्लेसिंग्स एंड बेस्ट विशेस टू ईच वन।
Thank you very much, sir. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude and the completion of thankfulness. Thankfulness may consist merely of words. Gratitude is shown in acts. I think so from today's webinar, students, after learning so many things, will be able to put up their entrepreneurship models very well, and we are waiting for that. So at last, I thank each one of you for joining today's session, and a special thanks to you, sir. Without you, this session would have been incomplete. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Announce the formal way to the meeting is called.
So formally, we end this session today. You may all leave the session.
Thank you.